hottest place on earth ever recorded. Death Valley. There's no shade anywhere you go. My phone's overheating. The GoPro is turned off like 3 times on me because of overheating. That sun will fucking take it out of you. Unforgiving. It's not enjoyable. That's what steady does. Suffer, evolve, develop. About 17 kilometers today in this weather in plus 45. Stop, extreme heat danger. Walking after 10 a.m. is not recommended. Well, it's about 2 fucking p.m. My face is going flush. My whole body's getting numb right now. I'm trying to keep it calm. This isn't good. My body's like, I feel cold. So, man, it's crazy. Like, I'm shivering. My whole body feels cold. I feel really cold. I need out now. end of Mosaic Valley. It's a really cool trail. The heat is definitely a factor. It's hard to catch your breath out here without huffing and puffing. And we didn't even really gain that much elevation. Gained like 300 meters total. So let's head out and go to the next view. Hottest place on earth ever recorded. Death Valley. That sun will fucking take it out of you. I'm walking to the tallest sand dune in the area. This is Mesquite sand dunes. This is the highest sand dune that I could find. We'll turn back. 10K in the hottest place on earth so far.